Now, let me just show you what I'm talking about. In the responsibilities, what you want to do, you want to read like 4 or 5 of these to get an idea of what this job is all about. First of all, because you might not even want to do it, right? You might have watched CSI one too many times and you're like, oh, I want to be a hacker. I want to do forensic. Like, the job is rarely what you think it is. You know what I mean? So you definitely want to do your research. And if you can, talk to somebody like myself who's been in this field for a while. Ask them, like, how do you like it? You've been doing this for 20 years. How do you like doing this job? Is this something that you think I should do? What are the pros and cons? Those are the kind of questions you really want to ask. Let's get back into keywords. So if we're looking at keywords here, I'm seeing a couple off the top of my dome right here. If you see words like this that you don't know what the hell it is, PCAP, that's a keyword right there. If you see there's a couple key tasks in here, stakeholders, there's a couple of keywords in here already, but you want to read through responsibilities because you might want to do this job. Collects network device integrity data and analyze signs of tampering and compromise. Okay, so signs of tampering and compromise is one of the things you do as a forensics guy. Now let's get a little deeper into this. Desired skills. Look at this. Now this is a gold mine of all kinds of keywords. See all this stuff right there? These right here are tools. It says you need to be experienced and proficient with the following tools: EnCase, FTK, SIFT. These are all tools of the trade for a forensics guy. Very important.